Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the soap that's inside one of these Sani-Fresh hand soap dispensers. So these are typical of, you know, sometimes you see them in public restrooms, like at a gas station or school or maybe a office building. This is pretty old school, so there's probably newer ones now, but you can still find the soap packets online. So this is what it looks like. I got this one, pink and clean. I've used this one before. I like this. I just ordered a big batch of this. Probably last me about a decade because I could only find a bulk buy. Each one of these probably lasts my household maybe a year. So don't have to replace it much, which is what I like about it. Anyway, yeah, this is what the packet looks like. I found this on eBay. Actually, I found this one on Amazon. Alright, so first let's talk about getting inside this. Now this is harder than you'd think. You really kind of have to squeeze both sides because there's some clips in there. But sometimes I even have to use a screwdriver to pry it off. It's really tough. And hopefully it's mounted quite strongly so you're not going to pull out your drywall, because I really just squeeze it and yank on this thing. Oh yeah. Alright, so that took a lot of force. Thankfully I used proper, actually I think this is in the stud, but it's not easy to get that to pop out. Alright, so now the way this looks is the inside looks like this here. So usually your bag of soap is here, and then you got this tube here where the soap comes out. Pretty simple. When you pull up on this thing, it kind of squeezes that tube like an udder. Alright, so I'm going to take this one out. That's it. That's how you take it out. And actually you can see some instructions here on how to do it. Maybe I'll zoom in on that. Basically you just like this, take this little perforated part off, pull the udder down, and then kind of get it presenting well. And this box just fits in here. Now this is a tight fit. I don't know if this is how it always is or how it used to be, or because I don't know if this is like an off-brand soap for this thing or what, but it's a tight fit, but it goes in there. And then this piece needs to reach down into this little it's a little slot in there. You just kind of push it in like that so it'll stay there. Just a little space in there. See that? So it just fits right in there. Just like that. Alright, well, see how that's pretty much it. All you do is gonna close this back up, and again, because the box is so tight, I really have to kind of scrunch it, squeeze it, get it in there so it all compacts. And now you do the reverse force of earlier, and you really got to push this thing to get it closed. And it should snap. You'll hear it snap once it's closed. There we go. Now I do a little not a taste test, but just a test. Yeah, good action. Alright, we're back in business. Pink and clean. No better soap. Alright, thanks for watching.